We wanted to create a special environment for Year 7, and Furnware furniture was a very important part of that jigsaw puzzle because, again, we wanted boys to come into an environment where they were comfortable, that they had the right resources. And we did an 18-month project, and that was through Independent Schools Queensland, to examine the environment we wanted to create with our Year 7 boys, and get lots of student input to find out, okay, so from this, what are the boys saying, and what are the parents saying, and what are the teachers saying, to see if all these changes we'll make into their learning spaces was actually working. Now, what we're finding through our research is that the boys love the furniture. The teachers find that the boys settle down very quickly after breaks because the furniture that Furnware produces is designed for comfort. If the comfort level is there, again, that helps them to settle down quickly. Less distractions, reduces offset time for the boys, and therefore there's more opportunities for them to learn. And the research that we found proved that. It was 96% of our boys said they love the furniture. The core teachers, English, Math, Science, Humanities, are saying that the kids love the rooms, the way we set up the rooms. It's very flexible, so the boys can come in and move the furniture around, because boys like learning that way. Boys learn through movement. It's just the way the male brain is wired compared to the female brain. So there's a lot of science involved there. The colour we use to paint the feature wall affects emotions, and emotions affects learning. So there's a lot of science was actually involved. And as I said, Furnware was just part of that puzzle because they create the tables, the chairs, the different shapes and sizes for different type of learning spaces. If the boys are engaged to their learning, if they're comfortable, and if they have the opportunity to be flexible in their learning spaces, you engage them to their studies. And if it engages them to their studies, the aim is that they'll do the very best they can with their schooling.